Hi there, and welcome to Astronomy video of the day. The astronomy picture of the day is NGC 253, also known as the Silver Coin Galaxy. This is one of the brightest galaxies that can be seen in the night sky, and you can see it using a small telescope. It lies in the constellation Sculptor, and hence it is also known as the Sculptor Galaxy. This galaxy was discovered in 1783 by a lady named Caroline Herschel. As you would have guessed it, she is the sister of William Herschel. William Herschel was a German-born British astronomer who is most famous for his discovery of the planet Uranus. NGC 253 is a mere 10 million light years away from Earth. So how far is that? In an evolutionary timeline, 10 million years is the time when the primates started walking on the surface of this Earth. NGC 253 is 70,000 light years across. It's 70% the size of the Milky Way. And this is one of the brightest galaxies visible outside of our local group. What I mean by that is it belongs to a neighboring group of galaxies called as the Sculptor group, of which NGC 253 is one of the largest members. Here you can see our local universe within a radius of 100 million light years. Milky Way and Andromeda belongs to the local group. And you can see right next to our local group is the Sculptor group of galaxies. There's a huge amount of gas and dust in the plane of this galaxy, and you can see the reddish blobs scattered throughout the galaxy. These are the telltale signs of frantic star formation going on. Because of this, NGC 253 is classified as a starburst galaxy. It is also known to be a strong source of X-ray and gamma-ray radiation. That is likely because of the supermassive black hole that the galaxy is harboring at its core. Now let us look at this galaxy using a worldwide space telescope. Like how every point on the surface of this planet is marked with latitude and longitude, every point in the celestial sphere is marked with right ascension and declination. And the coordinates for this galaxy are 0 hours 47 minutes 33 seconds. That is the right ascension, and a declination of minus 25 degrees 17 minutes and 18 seconds. So let us key that in. That takes us precisely to the location where NGC 253 is located in the celestial sphere. This is an incredible picture of the galaxy captured using the Spitzer Space Telescope. Spitzer is a space-based telescope that observes an infrared wavelength. And the benefit of the infrared wavelength is, unlike optical light, it is not blocked by dust and gas. And you can see how the prominent features of the galaxy pop out in this infrared picture. From this, we can clearly make out that the galaxy has a central bar and it has two spiral arms. And by looking at the presence of the central bar and these spiral arms, we can say that the galaxy belongs to the SAB category. Let us look at some other images that the Worldwide Space Telescope has to offer. Again, this also seems to be a picture captured by the Spitzer Space Telescope in the infrared wavelength. Now let us look at this picture. It seems quite interesting. This is a picture of the center of NGC 253 captured by the ESO's Very Large Telescope as well as the Hubble Space Telescope. It's a composite image. What we can see in this image is the central region of the galaxy NGC 253, and this is known to harbor 100,000 massive young stars. This is another beautiful image of the galaxy, but it's flipped. I think that's because of a mistake. This is an X-ray image captured by the Chandra Space Telescope. What you can see on the right is an X-ray image of the core of NGC 253, captured using the space-based Chandra X-ray Observatory. What can be seen in this image are these 4 ultra-luminous X-ray sources that are traveling towards the core of the galaxy. Because of its tremendous rate of star formation, NGC 253 is a candidate that is studied intensively for intermediate-sized black holes. Intermediate mass black holes are the missing link between stellar mass and supermassive black holes. They are known to exist in a regime between 100 to 100,000 solar masses. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.